The sun bleeds down on broken stone, sulfuric rising like a tomb of bones. We walked in knowing we were outnumbered, two shadows moving through the thunder. Drums echo like a heartbeat dying. Every step forward, another war cry. I raise my shield, he calls the storm. Together we stand against the swarm. Every moment screaming, turn back now, but retreat's a word we don't allow. The sand moves under our feet, the dead won't stay asleep. Yeah, two against the sandstorm, fighting through the rage and the fire. We won't break, won't fade, won't tire. Yeah, two against the sandstorm. When the desert tries to swallow us whole, we rise again, still in control. We bleed, we burn, we still push on. Two against the storm, and we're not done. Came down like a tidal wave. Mojocks whispered, brother, be brave. I roared back, I'm not dying here, and slammed the fear into the atmosphere. The stars fell like judgment from the night. My shield crashed through their lines with spite. Every swing felt like the world on fire, but giving up was never our desire. We've lost too many battles to fade, but this time we choose our own gate. If the desert wants our final breath, we'll make it choke on the taste of death. Yeah, two against the sandstorm, through the chaos, through the crush. When the world screams fall, we never hush. Yeah, two against the sandstorm. When the sky comes down like a hammer of fate, we hold the line, we retaliate. Together we fight, together we're strong. Two against the storm, where we belong. We stood on the stairs, surrounded by screams, troll shadows crawling through broken dreams. I looked at him, he looked at me, two fools refusing destiny. The sand rose up, the dead broke free, but we weren't done, not you, not me. We still hold out. The line, I'm God for the fallen, Mojocks for the light, for our right to survive. It's our strike, it's our strike. Desert cracks, we hit back. Shot two against the sandstorm. When the world turns dark, we ignite. Two souls burning through the endless night. Shot two against the sandstorm. If fate demands we break apart, we'll carve the victory into its heart. We fall, we rise, we carry on. Two against the storm, and the storm is gone. In the ruins where the echoes fade, two heroes walked out unafraid. Not a story of glory, just a story of survival.